Nie przesuwaj w tą stronę, Agata, bo jak poleci, to nie utrzymamy, nie?
Musimy iść dalej. O, właśnie. O! Możesz, kurwa.
We're making great progress on the tiny house, and we are going to be starting the roof. Unlike the previous few weeks where it was like a heat wave and it felt like summer was gonna go forever, now we're officially moving into fall, so it's been really rainy, super windy, so we just haven't been able to work on the house as much. But we will have a couple days of nice weather coming up, so we really have to push and get the roof up so we can move in soon because the weather is not nice anymore.
No. And we have friends over today.
Oh yeah.
So they're gonna help us to put the roof on, which is great because that stuff is pretty heavy and I wouldn't be able to do it myself.
Yeah. For now, it's like a box, and then we put a tarp on top just to keep it sealed. Because if you wouldn't have done that the past week, it just would have been like flooded. But the tarp worked well.
Wziąłem sobie okulary.
Aha. Ja mam okulary.
Oh, goggles?
Yeah.
So Kuba is getting ready to cut our door out because this is only like half the size. And we also boarded up over the windows just to keep it waterproof. But now he has to cut it out to fit the trusses in.
Gdzie jest 5, robi 2 i 1. Nie?
Więc tak dokończyć.
Więc jakbyś mógł tak to dokończyć. Ten i potem przestawimy i ten, bo musiałem je zmienić, wiesz, dlatego musiałem powyciągać gwoździe.
Dobra.
I no.
Okay, so what we're doing now is we have to fix the trusses with more nails because I had to take them apart and I ran out of nails. Why not have them now? So we have to put more nails there to hold it all together.
Now I have to cut this out.
Oh, that's not staying there?
No, because the door is going right to the bottom.
Oh, I see. So this is our kitchen window, and then this is our living room window. We also painted the floor with this like waterproof paint. So when we take the tarp off today, it won't damage the floor.
Yeah, it's the paint for like fences, tool sheds and stuff like
Yeah.
that. I'm cutting it out now because we need all the height to put the trusses in.
Oh, I see.
I forgot I was not supposed to hammer this down, like nail this down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was wondering why there are nails there. It is warm in here. Oh, nice. This scaffolding totally looks like bed frames. Like we could use it to build something in the house.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to go around and undo the tarp.
Okay.
Because then I have to take those off. Those pieces of wood. And fit wood on top of those long walls like it is there, doubled.
Okay.
So I need to double the big walls that way too.
So far on the walls on the outside, it just has that membrane.
Yes.
So waterproof and windproof it? Okay.
Okay, so what we're doing now is we have to trace out the boards that will be coming on the side of it, on the gable ends, because it's just easier when it's laying in here instead of having it up and like holding it up, you know?
So gable end just means that's the edge?
Ends of the house, yeah.
Okay.
The ends of the house.
Is that going to overlap on the wall?
Yes.
Okay. Because I know on the sides there's like a gap where the boards didn't go quite to the top.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to cover, but the gap will be there anyway.
Oh, okay.
I'll fill it up
Yeah.
later, because I want to make this straight and the other one's not straight.
I
so
see.
The Philip is going to take the top ones off. To chyba brytyjskie w ogóle.
Safety first. Or safety third.
Tu wyprostować na końcach, nie? Bo...
No a długość jak tu? To będziemy docinać później?
Ta będzie cała, dopiero następną dotkniemy, nie?
No.
So why are you doing the top one in pieces, not just a continuous?
We don't have a long one like that.
Did we use them all?
We just had 4, yeah.
Oh.
The walls are doubled up on the top, like the side walls. The long walls we did now, so that's all done. So the house is ready to have the trusses put up. And first we will put the end, one of the end ones, the trusses. And then from there we will square it up so it's everything is like vertical and everything. And then from there we'll be measuring it out to a certain distance that we want to have between them. And then put another one, connect them together, put another one, connect them together.
Okay, so you're not measuring it out first where they go? You're just doing it from one end to the other?
I will measure it out, but after we have the first truss.
Oh, okay. Okay. Please fit.
Dobra, musisz jeszcze trochę cofnąć chyba.
Oh, just barely.
Just as I measured it.
Yeah.
Jest 3 osób tutaj mają lęk wysokości. I to tak stawiamy. Kuba? No. Dobra, czekaj, nie puszczajmy tego, bo to mamy na górze, to fajnie, nie? Uważaj na te fejkowe deski. Niektóre...
Obciąć to sobie tam na ścianie.
I co?
No i tu mi pomóż. Agata nie wyniesie tylko tak do góry.
No dobra, to czekaj.
A możesz te zdjąć, nie?
Nie trzymam tego zbyt pewnie. Kuba, czy tamta deska wytrzyma?
Nie wiem.
To wydaje mi się, że ona się tak gnie dosyć mocno.
Nie przesuwaj w tą stronę, Agata, bo jak poleci, to nie wytrzymamy, nie?
Musimy iść dalej. O, właśnie. O! Możesz, kurwa. Czekaj. Kuba, za niska deska.
Za niska
That thing that's not tall enough.
Dobra, robimy tak. Znajdź sobie lepiej jakąś robotę normalną, a nie... Najpierw praca, później zabawa. Czekajcie, bo ja teraz tego nie utrzymuję, w ogóle nie mam takiej do ramienia.
Dobra.
Muszę przejść na drugą stronę. Trzymacie? No. Jakby to uciekajcie po prostu. Nie próbujcie tego łapać.
I nie róbcie tego sami w domu. No, żebyście mogli wychodzić sobie na dach.
Czy weźmiesz kalkulator?
Nie mam.
No, czekaj.
What are you calculating?
372?
372 by half.
Half 150 plus 36. 186.
Daj te pomierzone.
No, od zewnątrz, nie?
Are you marking the middle so you can make sure they're all lined up?
Yeah. I'm gonna be screwing the whole thing down with those big screws. There are special screws for putting the trusses.
So you're screwing the truss into the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are powerful.
Oh, the screws, just
Yeah.
because they're so long?
Yeah. They just like pull it all together.
Why are you doing it from the bottom up instead of
Uh,
top down?
I think I saw it somewhere where somebody was doing it that way. Like in the videos that I saw where people were putting trusses up, they
They
were
all-
always doing that from.
Oh, really?
Wow. Jak? To się wykrzywiło, czy to?
Looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
On every street, every single person I meet, I'm waving. Ego takes step back, there's no one under attack. I'm waving. Thread by thread, every color, every dream. No guru, we got this. Yeah, we make our
Let's see. Aika?
You want me to film it?
Sure. So our neighbor gave us some raspberries because Kuba was charging our, our saw battery?
Yeah.
They offered to charge it for us. And we want to see if Aika likes these. Yummy. Oh! She likes them! You want another one? Oh! Too big, maybe. Here, I'll break it up. Maybe it's sour. She likes it. That's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
All right, my turn to try. Mmm. Those are really good. Did you have some?
No.
You want some?
I'll have one.
I'll have one more and then I'll give the other one to Aika.
They're just straight from the bush.
Oh, cool. Yum.
Now I have to measure out how far the next truss goes.
And we have 7 total?
We have 7 total.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really have a good idea how to stabilize on the next one.
Yeah, because you can't have these like support beams in the middle of the floor.
Yeah,
It's not gonna work.
but yeah, because we have it attached in here. So if I put the piece of wood underneath, like on the side of, like let's say, like underneath the roof, like here, you know,
Yeah. Hmm.
join them together, then they will be held by those too.
Yeah, so it'll be like kind of leaning on the other
Yeah,
one.
mhm.
Okay.
Hopefully. We're gonna put first one side kind of on first.
Trzymasz?
Mhm.
Możemy tutaj położyć. A na
Oh
to?
yeah. We'll put it on top there.
I wtedy możemy spokojnie
And then
wyciągnąć.
from the scaffolding maybe we can lift it up. And, if you can just, we might be able to do it by ourselves,
Yeah, I'll
but
just
if you
see.
can just be like emergency force.
Czy tu brakuje desek?
Chcesz, żebym mam tam wejść? Ja do góry?
Tylko nie stabilizuje, nie?
If you can try to stabilize it a little bit, we'll lift it over this first.
Stabilizuje. Okej.
No, trzymaj tam na razie, bo ja muszę wejść do góry.
No.
Nie just
Gdzieś trochę brakuje tego rozkroku tutaj jeszcze. Trzeba się jeszcze skończyć jakoś.
No. Ready?
No? Ale nie podnoszę na dużo. Jak tam? Sobie. Jeszcze kurde. O krzyż. Ej, no ale...
Ja jestem za daleko.
No wiem. Ready? Poczekaj.
Nie pionuj go, trzymaj go na skosie.
No wiem, trzymam go. Tylko wiesz co, poczekaj.
No.
Jeszcze trzymasz? O, i tak mi będzie lepiej dużo.
Dobra?
Mam rozkrok, nie mam teraz punkt oparcia. Wydaje mi się, że trzymam. Możesz powoli puszczać.
Okay. I don't know if you can climb in here and try to like stabilize it a little bit. I don't know if you can do it.
Okay.
Nie zmieścisz na karty.
Chyba, że pod kątem jakoś to zrobimy.
Just try to stabilize it because I need to figure out
Agata,
where the middle is.
weź stąd idź w ogóle. No.
Here. So you have to be at that line and there's a line on this side. So these two are in line. That should technically be in the
Yeah.
middle.
They're lined up.
They're lined up, okay. Let's check this.
Yeah, remember in Spain there was that walk along some canyon,
Or like Camino or something.
El Camino del Rey. It's
Del
like
Rey,
one of
yeah.
the most, it was at one time the most dangerous hike along a canyon. It's like super high up. And part of the walk is like you're just totally exposed. And so they had to put safety shit up because people were falling off and dying. And we kind of thought about doing that, but I'm terrified of heights. And so even being up here, I was like, don't pass out, don't faint, or whatever. And can you imagine doing that walk? I would just pass out, you'd have to like drag me the rest of the way.
So, now we have 3 people making a roof.
Yeah.
3 of those are afraid of heights.
Yeah.
I think I'm not too bad, especially if it's something like very steady like this, you know?
It's not very steady.
Yeah, I feel like that's secure.
Yeah, it will be fine.
So cool. It all looks really nice.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 down, 5 to go.
Yeah.
So then when you get near the end, will you just put up the end one and then work in between them? Or are you just gonna keep doing it to the side?
We might just keep doing to the side.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Because,
I guess you want room, maybe, to slide them or something.
maybe it will be better to actually put the end one, because then we'll have more room to maneuver the other one.
Yeah.
Because the last one will be hard to put because we only have like 80 centimeters
Yeah.
spread.
Because if you did the end one and then just filled in the middle ones, then that's gonna be secure because you'll have the end posts going up too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably a better idea.
Okay. And then fill in the middle ones.
Yeah.
At least it's not windy like last week.
I don't think it will be possible.
No. It would just blow you over.
Bingo. That's a bingo. Nas płyta Castorama sponsorować.
Yeah, I wish. I
We
wish.
built a van from like Castorama everything, you know?
Wiesz co? Może trzeba
Jest
było
prosto.
pchać z tamtej strony.
Huh?
Z tamtej strony może trzeba było pchać.
It is amazing because like this is really not strong. Like
Yeah, but it
I
holds
could
it.
break it in my hands.
Yeah,
But for like stretching, it's super strong.
yeah.
This is like, I mean, it's moving a little bit. But,
Ale wszystkie się ruszają, o to chodzi, nie?
Is it getting easier as you do them?
it is.
Put 'em up.
It's getting easier from like the technical point of view.
Or
so
the
we know how
method?
to do it.
Yeah.
But it's harder because you already put 4, so we're tired.
You're tired, yeah. Well, I can do the other 3 tomorrow then.
Yeah. This is not gonna go even if with the wind, I think.
No, I think it's not wide enough.
Yeah, and it doesn't have like any like
there's not enough surface.
Like area, yeah, surface area. Yeah, it'll be fine. And it's not gonna be crazy windy tonight.
No. And tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny.
Woo!
Tomorrow and next 3 days.
Yeah. Good job.
Good job.
I know the feeling. I gave you some heartache, and I know you can't believe everything will be better when I leave. We gotta follow our hearts in the fight we want.
Okay, so all the trusses are up. Now we have to board the roof, put the boards on top of the roof, and then I'll be framing the gable ends and putting the boards on gable ends. I want to put the boards on first, is to like stabilize the whole roof, and then put the boards, because the winds, most of winds go like from kind of side of the house and here, so I don't want to put boards first on just on the ends, because I'm worried that with the stronger wind can just put it all down.
So you're just gonna put boards like on the lower level.
On the lower
Yeah.
level first, yeah, like
Yeah.
the first
Strip of them.
yeah, first strip.
But not today, that'll be next. Maybe
I
when
don't
you're...
think I'll probably do it tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Probably do it tomorrow.
But everything else went well?
Yeah, everything it's fine. We only broke one fancy screw,
Oh,
but I can just get another one and
yeah. Okay.
put it in.
Cool. Good work.
Almost like a house.
It is a house. We could move in now.
It's very nice ceiling art.
Natural light.